Hello and welcome to the social place for boaters, The Drift. I'm your host, Sierra Goodwill. Let's drift sociably. Today we drift into the Newport International Boat Show, and John catches up with Mark Richards, founder and chief designer of Palm Beach Motor Yachts, to talk about his lifelong connection to the water, his pursuit of the perfect boat design, and how that vision continues to shape the future of Palm Beach Motor Yachts.
Mark Richards, Grand Banks and Palm Beach Yachts. Amazing. You're the guy behind it all.
I started Palm Beach Motor Yachts 30 years ago. It's hard to believe, and this is our 25th Newport, Rhode Island boat show, and it's been a great journey. The only bad thing about it is it's gone very quickly. So it's a beautiful day here today on a beautiful Palm Beach GT60, and just really proud of what we've achieved.
Now, typically you think of the Grand Banks trawler-like.
Yeah.
We don't really call them trawlers, but that style,
Yeah.
right? The Palm Beaches, you think about that blue hull, that classic sort of design. Tell me about this one.
Yeah.
This is sort of out of the ordinary for Palm Beach, right?
Yeah, look, it is. It was a very specific, strategic decision to do something a bit more European influence design, and a bit more sporty than the classic sort of series. The Palm Beach Classic series is more down east style. Mm-hmm. This is a bit more Euro, faster looking, faster engines, bigger engines. This particular boat's our first jet drive, which has been an amazing success for us. But it's just to do something different. We have an amazing hull shape, amazing technology and engineering, and we just wanted to put it into another form of yacht, and it's worked out really well. This is built for a very special client of ours. He's had several Palm Beaches, and the key to our business is we're a very custom boat builder as well. So this is very customised for his specific use, which is day boating, and it's exactly what he wanted. He's very specific in what he wants, and for us, it gives us a lot of joy and satisfaction out of giving them exactly what they want, and that's what this boat's all about.
This is a wonderful day boating setup.
Yeah, amazing.
First of all, jet drives.
Yeah.
So it gets you in just about anywhere.
Yeah.
Right? And this up area is phenomenal.
Yeah.
There's plenty of room for entertainment.
Well, he likes to entertain a lot of people for lunch for the day, and that's what it's all about. This boat has a pair of D13 1,000 horsepower Volvo Pentas, coupled to a set of 403 jet, Hamilton jet units, which is it's a 40-knot boat. They cruise at 35 knots, and he's had a lot of fun this summer. We're slowly progressing into the European market, and look, we just like building cool boats, right? And that's what we're trying to do. So it's working out well.
So tell me about your other lines. Grand Banks?
Yeah, look, we have obviously Grand Banks is a big deal for us, and it's a 70-year-old company next year, and we've redesigned the whole. It's a whole new range basically from my own designs, and that whole brand's coming along nicely. And once again, high-end performance, a lot of carbon fibre, super efficient hull form, and we're just trying to use half the fuel of anyone else in the business, and that's what we're doing. So,
as chief designer, your background's in design. Is that where you came up?
Yeah, no, look, I'm a boat builder by trade, and I just love design. I love designing the boats and doing stuff, and obviously I don't do all the design work, but the concepts are all out of my head, and I work very closely with customers, and a lot of our influence is through customer demand, and that's just how we've ended up with this amazing sort of range of boats that we have today, and it's a lot of fun.
Right, design is interesting because not only is there the aesthetic, but then there's the performance, right? And you need a blend of that.
Yeah. Look, aesthetics is critical for myself, and performance is even more critical. It's all about balance, and our hull form is very, very, it's one of the best hull forms you can use in a powerboat in my view. I'm a sailor. I've been sailing my whole life at a very high level, and balance of materials, carbon fibre up high, get the weight down low, lower centre of gravity, better performance at sea, more fuel efficient, and that's what we work very hard on every day of my life. Is what we're constantly thinking about. Performance and evolving the products as best we possibly can. There's a lot of cool stuff happening in the industry, and I think the next 10 years is going to be amazing for this industry. We're talking about foiling, semi-foiling, just a whole lot of cool stuff which we're sort of looking at as well. So, but all in all, I mean, we've developed a great design team who can pretty well do anything.
Do you see a future where boats of this size are up on foils? They're coming out of the water?
Absolutely.
Really?
Yeah. Just watch this space. That's what you're going to do.
That is so cool.
Yeah.
It's a true yachtsman's powerboat. Guided by Mark Richards' philosophy of building vessels as close to perfection as humanly possible, Palm Beach Motor Yachts pairs timeless design with uncompromising craftsmanship. For more on Palm Beach Motor Yachts and Grand Banks Yachts,
visit driftsociably.com and at Drift Sociably on social media. Like, follow, share, subscribe, and drift sociably with us.